So one of the perks of our job is we get to travel kung saan-saan dahil saan-saan din ang events natin. And we are lucky today, may event kami dito sa Laia, Batangas. And because of that, we took the opportunity na magstay na rin dito kung saan kami nag-event. Kaming tent doon sa malayo. That was for Isuzu. And now, we're enjoying our stay here at Cocoons at Laia. Yan. Samahan niyo ako, tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng rooms natin. So this is our room 16. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa construction if I'm not mistaken. So bilog lang talaga siya. Sa loob, it's just a bed. Wala tayo CR kasi meron tayong common CR. Pakita namin sa inyo later. But let's go inside. The room is good for couples. So meron ample storage. Meron mini fridge. This is our view, guys. Ayan. Pakita natin ang ating magandang view. Kitang-kita natin ang beach. The beach and the sand and ang hiwalay lang talaga dito is yung CR. So if you're iffy na walang CR yung kwarto mo, hindi ka dapat dito. Let me just show you guys how spacious this bed is. So I'll be laying down, stretching my arms from left to right. So here it is. I am 5'5", and this is the headroom still available here. Kung totoosin, yan. So you can see the space. Ito na lang. Ayan. So if you guys are claustrophobic, at least you get an idea what this room looks like. Pero kami, sobrang nag-enjoy naman kami na stay because we came here for the experience as well. Kasi it's one of a kind eh. Thank you so much, Cocoon!